And welcome to Black Ops 2. And today I am playing with Ian, Devontae, and Beast Kid. And I have no clue what we're doing today, but what are we doing today, guys? What are we doing today, guys? Guys, what are we doing today? I guess I don't know.
We're doing one flag, Captain Flag.
We're okay. If you guys heard that, if you guys didn't hear that, one flag captured flag. Okay, so basically, I think it's gonna be the high levels. I think it's gonna be the high levels against the low levels right now. I have no clue what I'm gonna do because everybody here is better than me, except for Adam.
We're gonna invite our friends so we can get better players.
Well,
Better and more players.
if you guys didn't hear that, he said he's gonna invite his friends to get better and more players. If you guys didn't hear it. Well, I'm gonna pause the recording until the match starts.
Well, he's gonna be a
I'm gonna pause the recording until the match starts, guys. I'll see you guys in a minute.
This is exactly like girl because her voice. Her voice sounds exactly like a girl.
Okay, guys, we are back and we are about to start the game right about now, I guess, until the host is ready.
Yeah, she's gonna do it like.
Today we're doing shotgun war. I don't know if you guys know what that is, but basically it's just basically shotguns.
So yeah, are we using shotgun?
So, well, yes, we are using shotguns.
Capture the flag.
And today I've worked on a very hard class.
Let's do it, not even
Secure the
shotgun.
objectives.
Yes, we are. What? I destroyed the C4, guys. I destroyed the freaking C4. Ah! See that, guys? That's scary. Ow! Just got sponge up.
Hostiles have taken our flag. Get moving. Hostile orbital Hostile ATR.
Okay, guys, that was painful. I think we lost. Okay, guys. Today we lost against Ian, which is a prestige master. Beast Kid, which is a prestige, and Devontae or JDM Killer, who is a prestige 4. Today we lost.
Cover me, reloading. Hostile orbital VSAT online.
Oh my god. I just got spawn trapped. Did you guys see that? Did you guys see that? I just got spawn trapped.
They dropped our flag.
Okay, guys. I watched that kill cam. That was pretty. Oh, shoot. No! Well, guys, we completely lost, I think. One of our teammates is camping. That's really sad that one of our teammates is camping. Wait, let me get something covered my hand in the way of the camera. Well, sorry guys, one of our teammates is camping, so we can't win. long barrels.
Taking our flag.
Deep.
It's hot. Hostile UAV above. Get moving.
Aye!
Shoot her down.
Aye. Thought this was a shotgun war. I thought it was, but really not. Everybody else is using other guns. Hey, this is a shotgun war!
Our flag has been dropped.
Right?
Shoot her down. Neutralized.
Everybody else is using
Our flag carrier is down. They dropped our flag. We have the enemy flag. Drone ready for deployment. Be advised, hostile AGR inbound. Check your timeline. Drop their flag. Our flag is protected. Enemy down! Our flag is being hostiles have taken our flag.
I really thought this was a shotgun war. I thought this was a shotgun war.
All you want to, all these like, all the fighters all they do is
Switching
turn around.
operation ready point.
Okay, guys.
Capture the flag.
Well, I'm pretty sure this video is long enough because it's going to take a long time to upload. I don't want it to take that long, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.